with confidence. When I got the roll like hips and take a sip on it. Take a trip on it. When I got you can go slow. Wind it up all night. Baby, take your time. Let me know I want. When you tell me I want. When the neighbors yell turn down. We keep it going. Like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes and the season. Shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like
GWAN, beautiful people. We are in Aruba. Hey! Aruba! Look for the nice body, clean body, glisten body, island body girl here. Hello! We have been here for like maybe like 4 hours. That's a lot. We've been here for a while. So we unpacked, you know, get ourselves together, decide what we're gonna do. So we're going to this restaurant called GWAN's Italian restaurant. This is the outfit so far from PLT. I don't know when you guys are gonna see this, but I put it in a clothing haul. I don't know when the clothing haul they're gonna go. I don't know if it's gonna be for the vlog or after the vlog, but you're gonna see it. Okay, so I'll leave the link to everything on the don't worry. We are hungry, so I'm just excited to eat. We're gonna put the final touches and then we're gonna head out and we're gonna see what this restaurant is about.
The cheese smells good.
Definitely if I could come back down here, take a picture, no heels on, yeah, and walk, because I see gelato over there. We are day 2 in our trip in Aruba, and right now it's like afternoon time. I had to edit a video this morning. We are about to have lunch at this spot called the we're having lunch at this spot called the Dutch Pancake House. I'm starving. I had to do the video, edit the video, and do the voiceover for this here because you guys would not let me live without doing this video. Right here? Tamir is like trying to coach me to take this picture across the street. Oh, that one drunk girl? Oh god. Let's see what we want. Special. I'm gonna try something different. I think we're gonna try one of this and some eggs. Thanks so much. No, anybody's drunk. Hello, sir. Can you like get away? So these are pancakes, but they look like crepes. And then we got some scrambled eggs, bacon, and water. Oh, I forgot to ask him for the mango thing in my thing. Oh gosh. You see, this is why reels don't work for me. Me neither. Like, you know, you just take out your vlogging camera and then that's it. Like, nobody got time to remember all of that. Okay, so we did a quick outfit switcheroo because we're going to the beach. Promise Auntie. Thank you. My body. Oh, okay, reach.
Hi there.
Hi.
Smell good.
Samir, I forget sunscreen again. We just keep forgetting things. Okay, did you put on? No, I forget. And I was gonna remember because when I said they said, alright, put stuff in your bag. I remember, okay, sunscreen, money, what game I put in there? The room key, all of that. I forget the sunscreen. Yes, the first time going to the beach. Here. Not over.
It's very busy today.
It is?
Oh my god.
Ah! Which beach is it?
It's Palm Beach.
Palm Beach? Okay.
Because it's Sunday.
Today, everyone is out. Wow.
We have another beach. They call it Eagle. It's very nice too.
Oh yeah, we heard about that one.
If you want to do like activities on the beach, let me know. I have a friend on the beach. They have everything. Catamaran.
Oh yes.
Parasail, good ride.
Oh yeah. Okay. Definitely for the catamaran. With the catamaran, do we have to do scuba diving, or you could just stay on the boat?
You can stay on the boat if you want.
Oh, okay.
Just drink, have fun, dance.
Yes.
Ooh.
Yes.
When I go, I don't do snorkel. Too.
Yeah, I don't. I just want to be out on the water. That's
just
it.
Drink and have fun.
Yes. So do we contact through you?
No, I'm gonna show you where to go.
Oh, okay, great.
Or you have WhatsApp? You have WhatsApp?
Yeah, I have WhatsApp.
I can give you the guy number.
Okay.
And you say Sandy sent you.
Sandy? Okay,
Yeah.
got it. Oh, this is cool.
You need to do the parasail. It's very nice to do.
No, but I want
Are you scared?
Yes.
No, but
Parasail
you
in
need
the
to do
sky.
the thing.
And then me afraid of that too. Yeah, in the sky.
You go, you too. Have fun.
God. Oh. We would like pass. It would be fun, but yeah, but we'd pass. Pass.
Look, you see the big palapa over there? The big one.
Yeah.
There is my friend.
That's your friend?
The name is a brown guy.
He's a brown guy? Okay.
His name is Sniper.
Okay, I can't
And
forget
say
that.
Sandy sent you.
Okay.
If you do activities, just go there.
Okay. Got it. Thank
Have a
you
good
so
one. Enjoy
much.
it. My name is Sandy. Nice to meet you.
Thank you, Sandy. Guys, the sun is serious.
Hello.
Hi, I'm looking for a sniper. That's you?
I'm a sniper.
Are you a sniper too?
That's why vai pra quem é aqui
A sniper busy. Thank you. We finally looked the spot. Happy hour time at 5 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. The bell has rung. Time for a drink. Shot o'clock. But we ain't drinking nothing.
This one, some contour, blood orange juice, lime juice. This drink is citrus, but if you like it in a sweet way, we can also do it in a sweet way for you. There you go. Nice margaritas. Use a glass of sweet plata. Tequila time. You can add some flavors. We have mango flavor, berry flavor. So this drink is more sweet. I like to drink, but after tea drink, you'll be dancing on the table. Right? If you want that, let's do it.
I'm gonna have the first one was a called orange.
The blood orange? Yeah. The blood
But
orange?
instead of orange, can I get something else? You said you could do it instead of citrus, right?
Yeah, so non-sweet, I can do it more in the sweet way.
Y'all, look at my edges. Tell me how I forgot my edge wrap. My edges but just be in the wind. It is at this point, because with the heat and then no edge wrap, as soon as edge control gone, it just curl right back up. I'ma just camp it out. So today is day 3 and our second full day. We're gonna head to Eagle Beach. They say that's the best beach on the island. So we just had lunch. Then we're gonna go to Eagle Beach for probably like 2 hours or so because we have to come back to go get ready because we're going to this restaurant, which is another super popular restaurant called Flying Fishbone.
Oh, bone.
They do dinner on the beach. They actually sit in the water, but I think they said that it's for 4:30 type reservations. We have reservation for 5, so we're going to see if we're really interested to sit
Once
in.
we get there and like see what it's giving. Because if it's giving,
Yeah, then
we'll
go in the water. Yeah, like it's an experience, so we'll definitely try. We're open to trying different things except for parasailing. Samira, she want to talk me into doing parasailing yesterday. I'm like, girl,
I can't swim either.
but I know
It's an experience.
it's But yeah, if we're gonna do something like that, the two of we cannot swim. We're gonna need somebody who can swim with us. Listen. So something else. And we're going on the catamaran. I'm not telling nothing else. Tomorrow I'm gonna see what else going on. Yeah. I'm not telling nothing else. Look at that. It is so pretty and believe. But God see and know. It is hot. Sun is beating bad, especially since the sand is so freaking clear and the water is so blue.
When I go with confidence, when I go we roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go we can go slow, wind it up all night, baby take your time, let me know wagwan. When you tell me wagwan, when the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going, like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, cigarettes and the season.
Hey y'all. So we are okay, so we are at this restaurant called the Flying Fishbone. And it's quite interesting. So you actually dine in the sea, in the actual ocean. Most of the tables are in the water. We're sitting a little bit from the water. We're sitting on the shore because the water too high. It's way too high right now. You see a crab? You see, and creatures I come for clean your foot. Yeah, get a free pedicure. Is that big crab?
You see it right there.
Camouflage? Look here, see her teeth. Oh, that's a big, and a little crab there. You can't eat that crab there. And a baby crab. Me just say, I don't know if we want to sit out in the water, because I don't know what kind of creatures I go crab. No, the water too high. No. So I ordered a lemon drop. But listen, it is hot. Many look at she at this hour. The lemon drop is lemon dropping. I don't know what to get. I don't think I want like meat, steak or nothing like that. I want seafood. I can't even look at the menu because I'm using it as shade. You want to ask him for the special again? Repeat the special? Yeah. Excuse me, the tea light. Hi. You said the one that too light. Can I hear the special again?
The fish of the day, the snapper, and the special is the unicorn, which is the buttery fish that's like a sea bass.
Okay.
And they both come with the mashed, the veggies, the white wine sauce.
Okay.
The only difference is with the unicorn, you get also mussels.
Oh, you get mussels too?
Yep.
It's not on the menu, so how much is that?
It's $33.50 for the unicorn. Special of the day. Fish of the day is $30.50.
Oh, it is there. Oh, I didn't see. Okay.
I'm gonna get the fish of the day.
The snapper.
Is the snapper fried or steamed?
Pan-seared.
Oh, I don't know what that means.
Almost like grilling.
Okay.
Very close to grilling.
And you said the buttery one. How is that cooked?
The buttery fish, the sea bass one, that's the unicorn.
Okay, and how? Oh, I don't know that. Sea bass. Do I want that? What's the seafood history? What kind of seafood is
So
in
that's
it?
like a paella. You get the snapper, you get the unicorn, the salmon, the calamari, shrimp, and mussels.
You get everything.
All with rice, veggies, and the curry sauce. It's all like chopped up small pieces. It's also pan-seared and all in a nice dish.
That's a good dish?
It's a good dish.
Yeah?
Yes.
Alrighty. I'm gonna get that then. I'm gonna get that. Or should I get a buttery? Yeah, I should get a buttery?
The snapper,
Yeah.
and you're getting the history.
You think we get buttery or the history?
What are the options? What do we order?
The history have like everything.
I like that.
Okay,
You get everything.
I'll get the history.
Get the history.
Stop calamari, all type of stuff.
pretty
Okay.
good.
Yeah. Can I keep the menu?
Yes.
Okay.
I see what you're doing there. Sunblock. That's a good idea.
Yeah.
I've seen many people do it though. They all think about it.
Like it's pretty down here, but it's hot.
You have no allergies, no?
No allergy.
Okay. All right, ladies, enjoy.
Alright, I can't survive out here. My edge is gone. You feel the drink? You get quiet. You feel the drink? You feel the drink in here? It's strong. But it's wine. I know. The taste in it reminds me of last night. What do you have? Oh, the Cosmo? It look kind of still to be wine too. But I'm gonna know wine. Mine is, well, then again, I don't know if they use tequila or vodka for this, but it tastes like yeah, this don't taste like tequila, it tastes like vodka. Hold the drink. Well, for a picture?
That nail pin?
Oh, a nail pig. Okay, go ahead.
Let me get
then.
close. The background.
My back. My cat tries so cute. Lemon drop tastes nice. That tastes real nice. It's smooth. Some lemon drop and you choose, but this,
Hello.
Hi.
Welcome to the Flying Fishbone. My name is Miguel and I'm going to be taking care of y'all for now.
Okay. Awesome.
I see y'all have drinks already. So.
Yeah.
Oh, they ordered food already? Ah, nice.
Yeah, because you were sitting over there. We just moved over here.
I already know.
Thank you.
Yes. Here we have the red snapper.
Oh, red snapper, that's yours.
Keep in mind the plates are hot, so please be careful. Enjoy.
It's dessert time. And we're having a creme brulee again.
You see what's on seafood? Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is DJ Cassidy, and I'd like to welcome you all.
Is that you? Oh, it's a speaker. Okay. I'm like, what is going on?
Let's get this celebration started. Here we go. Cassidy, my daddy. To set this party off, right? Ready? Are you ready? Ready. I'm ready, girl. Let's go. Something like this. Get it hot.
Everybody else is scuba diving, but look at me. Like, listen, I don't do water sports unless I'm with somebody that can't swim. So the two of us can't swim. No, I don't trust any of these other people to have my back and save my life if something happens. So jet skiing and all of that, if Simba ain't here, I ain't doing it. It's just not going to happen. We're gonna have drinks and all that good stuff, but for the most part we really just wanted to be outside in the open water. I don't know if you guys can even hear me because of all this wind. We haven't eaten all day. Skip lunch. So no alcohol today. We're just drinking juice all day until we get back on shore, and then we're just gonna get some real food because you know where I'm about to drink alcohol. Haven't eaten all day. I'll be underwater. We gonna get seasick. But let's see what's up.
Amaru Masklova. Yeah, girl, you looking better than the photos. Need more of your time, so I'm watching you in slow-mo. Yeah, this is treasure, but it doesn't really matter when it comes to you. Yeah, I can't wait till we're together. I could never get enough of you. Yeah, she said, what you want from me? Baby, what you want from me? Yeah, yeah, nothing but your company, sitting on the top with me.
It is day 5 or 4.5 if we're gonna count the day that we arrived for a half day. We are dressed ready. We're going to this restaurant called West Deck. That's like in the downtown area, so we're gonna go there, eat some food, walk around, do some sightseeing and all that good stuff. We're just gonna vibe. We're just gonna go wherever the wind blows and see whatever happens. Enough of the pasta, all of that. We want some food, some niceness. Outfit for the day. I did a haul for Shein with this dress, so it might look familiar to you guys. A little gold bag and some Zara sandals. They got Johnny Peak. This looks good. West Indian samosas. Oh, them are plum. Okay, this looks good. I might have this. So, you don't want nothing spicy? After I just hear talk about spicy shrimp.
I know.
Yes, it was a shrimp.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, there was sangria. I thought you saw it. That's why you say you wanted a sangria.
Yeah,
was right here. Oh, it's a rainbow sangria. So it's supposed to have like, but then again, it's not really a sangria because it have darker in there and darker is frozen. So probably not the typical sangria where you drink.
Right here.
Yeah, so it's like a mix different type of drinks. It's not like a typical light sangria.
Whenever I see those numbers, I always take screenshots.
What numbers?
Like 333.
Oh. Where you see it?
Oh, the time.
Oh, shit. Lucky that I got get shrimp because I order mostly shrimp with my food. But I don't like seafood, so you know.
You don't like seafood?
I love seafood. Girl. That one, the chicken ribs so good. Yeah. Look at this drink. Just vodka and vibes. But my paper drinks are so come big.
That's crazy.
I'm trying to decide which one of these sauces. I'm trying to put spice.
We get 2 mosquito bites and then I pressure right now.
You get mosquito bite?
Yes.
Where mosquito bite?
Oh my god.
Okay, like you want spice. Samira and me have this habit, right? We get up, we get dressed, we move on our own time, and before you know it, it's afternoon. We don't eat all day. Now every time we go out, we get drinks first. But I don't know what kind of habit that's a dirty habit. That's what it is, a dirty habit. Drink the 2 big fish bowl of drinks, and the head feel light.
Tonight we definitely have to go out later in the night. Tomorrow morning we have to wake up early.
We have excursion.
Okay, I'm gonna wake up 7. I'm gonna set my alarm. Because I want to do my face.
No, wait, man, I'm so early, please.
So you can get ready in 2 hours?
I'm gonna wear a bathing suit and a pants and shirt cover up. So I'm gonna need to iron or nothing. You know, so you need the time. You are gonna need the time. So you get up 7 o'clock. Wait me about 8 o'clock. I don't know what this is. It's just sweet. The drinks, double the fun. The food is bussin'. We had 3 drinks.
I don't know what we feel like.
No bad. They were good drinks.
Best drinks that we've had on
We've had from West Deck. If you're coming to West Deck in Aruba, come for lunchtime.
Come on Tuesday and get tacos.
Can you get tacos? Yeah, we never get a tacos.
I wanted tacos.
Tamara came here for tacos.
I wanted the tacos.
It's a Wednesday.
They only have it on Tuesdays. I mean, you should have it right, true.
And then the special on
yeah, like,
but the drinks seem nice though. Real nice.
But I like the bowl, glass, jug, jar, whatever you want to call it. I like what
I'm surprised that I actually finished mine. Because usually if I get drinks that big, I'm not finish it.
You never finish it.
Yeah,
I'm drinking mine.
We'll drink the whole thing and add another drink. And then had
in a different.
Well, we had vodka and rum. Well, Tamara had. You think it was just wine in yours? I think it wasn't just wine.
I don't know, but
because it was a daiquiri mixed with sangria, so I think it's other stuff. Mine was definitely rum, coconut rum. So rum and vodka, rum and whatever Tamara mixed up with. You think we should walk to the next one? Yeah. We just walk to where we're going next.
I'm scared.
Why are you scared of what? Oh yeah, wear heels?
No.
Yeah, wear heels. Maybe I go the outfit when I look at you.
Oh well, if I'm bringing heels, I'm gonna hold them in my hand.
All right then, we're gonna see what GWAN. The lizard? In the bush?
I don't know if they come out in that bush.
May I talk like me the brave one? I tell me I the real brave one with the lizard situation. By our room.
Yo.
Some crocus lizard. Some lizard congregate by our room door every night.
That's a no for me.
It takes us at least 5 minutes to get into our room every single night. We have to do a little routine where we have to see how far them from the door, because we don't want them the door and then them running in, you know what I'm saying? So we do a little routine last night. I'm just super scared. And Tamira's scared too, but she don't look like she's that scared. Cause
if there's enough space where I can walk.
Yeah, so we send Tamira, you know, like shoo them a little bit. And then she opened the door and I run in. That's the routine.
No, but last night I was mad.
Yeah, it was like
one lizard was just chilling
and he was at the door.
Like,
My purpose stay outside and wait till him move. That open the door and him running.
I'm like, going in. I'm like, Chev, call me. Chev asked me, girl, it's on the opposite side if you're not getting it.
I see that I move and I wiggle. I mean, I say, girl, I can't come. You have to just save yourself. Do it without me.
Save yourself.
Save yourself. Go ahead. Tell my story. So earlier we were vibing, right? We didn't bring our cameras. We came downstairs to take pictures by the pool. And we were there and we saw that the pool area had a DJ. And the DJ was playing some good songs, some dancehall, some reggaeton, all type of different music. I wouldn't have vibe. I said, Jono, we should have had the cameras to vlog. So we were sitting there like, yo, we feel like he's gonna end the set. La, 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 la. But he was there for a good amount of time. So we said, alright, we're gonna go to the room, come back with a camera. We're out of the room for about 5 minutes because as usual, we're trying to run from these lizards. Okay? There's like lizards all up on these roofs. So one was over our room door, take us a while. We'll come back. Then the DJ bombitos. Jesus of mercy. Lizard everywhere. Lizard everywhere all over these cars. We'll come back, the DJ gone.
Gone.
DJ gone.
Gone.
Music gone. Equipment pack up. So we said 2 seconds. We weren't here that long. No way for come back. I'm set lizard for the second time. Lizard that crawl all over my head.
Oh my God.
Them everywhere. We can't do this. One day in there? Oh. Again? You see them? See one there? One day up on the ceiling right there, so. He might crawl that way. Look on Tamira gone left me. Tamira, I can't. Tamira, I can't. Look at Tamira gone left me. Tamira! Blind to the shit! My cat live my life for this. No more. Oh, boy. Here, I'll bring this up. I want to turn the camera on. Yeah, you know what I'm gonna like.
No, I think you need the camera on.
I turn the camera on enough because boy, you just have to go on without me. Overhead?
No.
Overhead like that.
But at least this time it was dead smack in the center.
It never move. It's a brazen. I just go around him. Okay, so we're gonna prepare for bed. We'll have to get up in less than 12 hours to go to Palm Island to
what
see.
time are we waking up?
You are wake up 6 o'clock. Me get up 7:15.
I am not getting up 6 o'clock.
You can't get up 6 o'clock. So, but I get up before 7:15. That's for sure. I can't manage. So, we'll see y'all with some flamingos. Good morning, y'all. Today is our 6th day here, and we're heading to Palm Island. So we're gonna see some flamingos. We're gonna see some different things. We might get in the water today. You know, I might put on a life jacket. I know I'm wearing my makeup right now, but girl, I might just go in that water. You never know. You never know. So our bus just got here. Everybody's like legit waiting on that big bus over there. Let's go for a fun day. Yay! I'm super excited. Come here. Let's see some flamingo. I'm up to the flamingo. They look pink and nice and ready for see me. Right by the Flamingo area. When it's time to take some pictures, we can take some pictures. We're gonna chill. Probably go walk around later on. I don't know, we don't want to really move ourselves, but we're gonna see how we do. About to get something to drink. Hi, can we order drinks? Could I have mamacita with vodka?
Are those the ingredients that are in it?
White rum, coconut rum,
Everything.
We got white rum, vodka, coconut rum, blue curacao, and pineapple juice.
Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Fly me up with dreams, the only thing I need. When I'm down, lift me up with your company. There's no telling what you and me creating. We're on the same wavelength. Feel the beat tonight. Something.
A drink a clock around the clock. Okay. Good night, lovelies. We are a restaurant. Okay, man, for cut, start over. Where am I on my tongue? We are on the hunt for a restaurant right now because we had reservations for this restaurant and they texted us like 20 minutes before saying they closed the restaurant due to water damage. Like, where do we go? We're all dressed up. I know where to go. And I don't know why my eyes are red. Oh, my tummy hurts. I think today I had food coloring and my stomach doesn't do well with food coloring. Okay, this is us. We go. Come Tom Tom. Sangria. We're having this. All right. give Tamara Patron, and she's happy. Are you happy right now?
No.
Tamara is happy right now. I didn't know it was tequila because I'm not a drinker.
You know, people go, oh, do you like tequila?
Like what? I don't like tequila, but I didn't know it was tequila. Tamara is here, but not really here. Me there, but not really there.
So we're both not here?
So we're happy people. We're not happy island. We're heading back to the hotel. We decided to walk to get some fresh. No, why am I doing all of that? All this exhaust. What do you call it? Exhaust?
Something like that.
Exhaust? Why am I spray all of that for come kill me? Am I gonna go across or what? You see the sprinkler?
Let me see it. Hold on.
Well, we're gonna just run across. Ready? we reach back to the hotel. Yeah, we see if everything. So good night. We're gonna see y'all tomorrow. I don't know what we're gonna do tomorrow, but we're gonna see what we'll do tomorrow. So good night.
Our last day.
Our last day.
I'm sad. Wait, where are we going?
I don't know. We'll figure it out. Come up here, so. Love and treat you. Love and treat you right. This love that I'm feeling. Cheers. Bob Marley. Timeless. Iconic. Timeless. Yeah, my taco smells so freaking delicious.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Anything else you need?
Okay. If you have a shorty but you don't show love, oh yes, son, I'm talking to you. Oh no, I don't want you. So we just had some tacos and drinks to get us pumping, you feel me? We're heading to Pelican Pier because we're going on the Pelican boat. And it leaves at 5:30. It's 5:04 right now. We're supposed to check in at 5, so it's a 5-minute walk from here. So we're on time. We're gonna be there like 5:10. Yeah, we found the Isle of Aruba sign. There's like so many of them on the island, and we finally got to one. I'm feeling this, okay? Feeling
That's
You want one for one? If I want just one $4.
One scoop gelato.
We're getting gelato. Pardon? Perfect way to end the night. And then we're gonna walk in that direction because we've never been that direction. So we're gonna make sure we've seen Aruba. Oh, Mr. One bullet scarlet man was at the bar, right? What we're drinking. We were there, then we left, and then we came back because you know I needed to release. Yeah, and I came back. Yeah, we usually need to use the washroom, you know, get ourselves together, you know. We came back. We say, you know what, we're going to get another drink because the night young, like it was like after 10.
It was after 10.
Like, what are we, some grandma, some auntie? Like, what the hell? So
it's rich auntie vibes, you know, here.
We'll put ourselves together and then we went back to the bar. We went back to the bar, there was this guy there.
Miss Patin.
It's Tamara's Patin. Me never see him yet because he closer to Tamara. And then me see him once I will get a drink. I will tell the bartender for just surprise us. You know the night young we want to vibe. So we'll get whatever the bartender gave us. And then I realized this man, I'm just like, I nudge Tamara like, Tamara, like this guy, like, you know what, Tamara done see him already. Then two twos, you know what's a Toronto people just story? Two twos.
Joel, the bartender.
No, Joel, the bartender.
The cutie.
The cutie is her. Said the guy buying us a drink. You know, so we shouldn't take some of the most expensive thing on the menu. But you said, we know what, we're going to take a shot because we really wanted that shot.
Legit.
So we take the shot. I mean, just,
you see, our eyes are low.
Tamara and I said nothing to my Tammy just said thank you, you know.
I said thank you, but I didn't look at it.
I would take the shot, drink the shot, you know, we have vibe, we have play, the music, I play out, we have vibe. And then we just start seeing
there was a couple, there was 2 seats in between him and I, and a couple came. Glory be to God, okay?
Amen.
Because they saved us.
They did.
For a little bit.
For a little bit till I'm gone.
Because they left, and then I saw homie scoot over. So now there's a seat between him and I. No, Mr. No, Baba, no, Jesus, not tonight.
A time for we leave.
Chev was like, we gotta run. We gotta get the
go. Joel, we were like, Joel,
the cutie.
The bill.
The cutie.
Where is the bill? We're gonna take these shots.
Cutie.
We're gonna take these shots and we're gonna go. We're
run.
Yeah, we'll pay the bill.
Skedaddle.
Skedaddle. Exactly. Hi,
Jesus. What's your number?
250. Hi.
Yeah.
Oh,
I didn't even look at flavor. What? Let me see what else is here.
Can I have a vanilla?
If you're also looking at vanilla, y'all.
That's the most basic thing. I can't with the complications right now. I'm a Virgo too. My brain wired. Look, guys.
Is there vanilla Oreo?
No, not you. It's not. Look, it's not showing. It's just showing. No. Regular vanilla.
Why?
You don't want your girlfriend to see you on here?
I don't got no girlfriend.
You ain't got no girlfriend? So who you don't want to see on here?
He just doesn't want to be seen.
There you go.
Lord have mercy.
I promise, you're not seen on there. I promise. I won't put you out there like that.
1 scoop of what?
Get a coconut.
No.
Oh, sorry.
Wait, what do I want? Hey, can I get vanilla Oreo?
We got gelato. The waffle cone still. You make us push for your shoes. I mean, I guess you. I was just about to ask, where's my camera?
Where are we going?
I don't know, you want to sit down? What feel like I need for pee again? Oh fuck, shit. Okay, act natural, act natural. Act natural.
I don't like school.
Shit, you want to hold the camera? I'm gonna need to put on my hand. Hold on. What is with the band? Why is there a band playing in the middle of the night? Is that like a real band or a fake band? I'm hearing drums.
Drumline.
What the fuck?
Mighty God.
We're watching a movie tonight, because every night we watch a movie.
If the Wi-Fi keeps up, because apparently on our side of the hotel, the Wi-Fi no work.
We're gonna watch a movie while we're at park.
Yo, my bladder.
You want pee?
Mighty God.
At least the bathroom clean, so we can pee before we leave. What for going steal?
I got vanilla Oreo. Ooh, okay. You guys see me shaking like this?
Come here on my phone.
Right here.
I'm going to put my phone now while. I'm going to try my phone then. Let me get. What is with the band?
What's over there? I need to pee so bad.
There's some mirror shoes on the table for me. I don't know where reach on the table.
That Chev put it there. No, this is wrong.
I don't know where reach on the table. Did I put it on the table?
Put it on chair.
I remember. What?
Yo, I have never seen Chev like this.
Want to steal a piece of waffle cone and give you? Ooh! What should I get for the party bus then?
Yes!
Sit down, buddy. Why don't you for the party bus then?
Why is it going so fast? You need to slow down.
Party bus, they have vibe. You know? Because it's just the two of us, we'll always end up in some predicament where just only non-skin folk will end up in a group. And we actually one party bus will just have all, you know, not so popping music. If you're going to a party bus, you need a group where you can request your own song. But that's just a two-way. I know how our look go, we're just going to get a non-vibe group. You see, I feel like people on the bus, they look like vibes.
Yo, my bladder? Holy.
You need to go pee? You want to go pee now?
I'm talking about this belt.
I'm sure. You can't do this and then we'll go? You can manage? You can manage? Where is this room coming from?
We'll go find out because that's live right now.
I'm curious about this drum, I'm not lie to you. How comes the lots of places at home so late?
It's a Friday night, that's why. They know say more people fly in.
Hurry up on the weekend, most people fly in.
We no longer leave tomorrow. Because today is tomorrow. We leave today. In a couple of hours.
Go. We ate 20 on this.
Why, man?
One truck there?
Motor.
One thing.
Motorcycle.
But they're all bike. Some ballad, man. I feel like we could do one more shot, but I had to convince Tamira to do one more shot. But I feel like we can handle another shot, like just one more shot, one for the road. Huh? You want to be in it? Yeah. Let's go. Hey vlog. Follow me on Instagram at
my birthday yesterday.
Thank you.
Y'all look cute. Thank you.
Let's see.
Wait. Let me get your Instagram. Follow me on Instagram too, and I'll text follow me back. We're gonna come on Tuesday. I was trying to convince them that if I could get one more shot in you, but I don't know. Another shot? Like one more. Okay, one more for Tuesday. One more. Someone next week. No, or just next week. Turn me out. You already drunk. Thank you, sir. Welcome to Eagles Physically. She was physically. Look at the crowd over there for the nightclub. And what's your name? Dana. Gotta check you out on Tuesdays. Girl, I just want to turn me that use it on. And just highlight with my regular shears. I forgot to dance. Why did we get Oh, there's some milk. I'm gonna get some syrup. I'm not syrup with Look what Simba got me, y'all. Simba surprised me with the roses. Look at his face. He got a line up looking all cute and ish. But hold on. Let me put my flower to the side. It'll take time. I'm gonna put it in a vase when I reach home. But listen, a man know him way to my the man look at the man can't come. Shrimp. Yeah, what is this, babe?
We got a little deep fried buffalo chipotle
with the sauce.
Tartar sauce.
With the sauce.
And now we're doing some sweet and sour homemade
with the
sauce.
The homemade sauce. The homemade sauce with the shrimp. If I'm never allergic right now, I'm gonna give you a kiss. If I'm never allergic to shrimp, he cooked something he was allergic to because he knew I love it. You are willing to die for me. I love that.
Oh, man. I even need a tail on so I can chew up too.
Don't tell them that I'm gonna chew the tail.
Everybody know at this point, guys.
Thank y'all for watching. This is the end of the trip, the perfect end to the trip. Mentamir had such a good time. Aruba was just vibes, and it was just like everything. So I'll catch y'all in the next video. Go on, big up yourself. Bye, guys. Mwah.